Hello and welcome to Sinft. I'm Suki, Foreign Trade Account Manager. Sinft produces high-quality filter machines and spare parts compatible with major brands with much more competitive price. Today we're in episode 5. In this episode, I will briefly introduce about wind power products. In the new generation of wind turbines, you often find an oil filter in the gear oil cooling system. But as the cooling system is dimensioned to keep the oil temperature low, it is often not easy to find a filter with an acceptable efficiency. The oil types used in the wind turbine gearboxes are mainly very high viscosity gear oils. The HDU filter will extend the operational lifetime to the gearbox by continuously keeping the particle and water contamination level low. The filter insert will even absorb oxidation residue from the oil, which will increase reliability of system values. We can supply the replacement filter inserts 3 micro absolute filtration ratio, which are produced of 100% nitrocellulose fiber from sustainable resources, no metal, no plastic, no chemicals. The cartridges offer the following advantages. In addition to this, we have some differences compared to other similar products in the country. Our products have been tested with flander form and compatibility tests, and the filter electrons are well adapted to both oil and filtration systems. The oil and the filtration system are well adapted. This is something that other similar products in China do not have. Particle contamination is the leading cause of hydraulic and gearbox failures. High capacity and dirt-holding cartridge filter, good for those very dusty and dirty environments, and reduces contamination of your oils by removing solid particles, down to 3 micron. High capacity check values allow for increased airflow at low cracking pressure. We can offer the following part numbers. The test results of our company's products were compared with those of the original products. It is particularly important that wind turbine gearboxes filters provide appropriate protection. That is why proper filtration is an essential part of preventive maintenance and avoid unplanned shutdown. Sinft can provide a range of filters that guarantee absolute reliability and proven quality. Protect from harmful solid contaminants that can cause blockage. Prevent the operation of valves, and when trapped between moving surfaces and pumps and bearings, cause an accelerate wear. Any contaminants remaining in the fluid downstream of inline filters have to pass through the system, and potentially the smallest operating clearances before they can be filtered again. The gearbox filter element from Sinft ensures that only filtered oil gets into the lubrication system, even when the bypass valve is opened. Increase your wind turbine's availability and safety with the replacement element. For more specific information, please visit Sinft official website. See you next time.